what I'm going to do here is just give you one more stretch of carving here, and then leave it alone for a while. I'll cease tormenting you with my babbling here, and kind of get this all finished, carved out and smoothed out, and then you can kind of see how it looks at the end. And then I'll go over and start going over how to hide some of these cracks and do some painting, at least of this area. I mean, I'll go ahead and carve some of that back there too, but it's a little bit more, so you're not spending your whole time online watching this guy carve foams. Probably watching a traffic accident will be more interesting for those who aren't into the hobby. So hill, like this kind of interesting here. I'm going to smooth this down so it blends. Do that. And there we go. Alright. Put a little interest. Have a little mini ravine going down and meeting with this one, at least implied meeting, so we don't have all the same features, just having two ravines here. So I'm just do a little cutting right there. Right there. Shallow ravine going down. So clip edges here and that, little balls. So alright, well, I think I'll sign off for now here. Okay, now I've pretty much gotten the terrain shaped the way I wanted to. Spared you having to watch someone chop at this thing for an hour or so. So, got my general terrain forms shaped out here. Now I'm going to show you how to eliminate these lines here. So, and what I use is this lightweight spackling, and right now I'm kind of, it's a toss-up for me whether to do it, put the spackling on before I put the base coat on, or put a base coat on and then spackle it, because the advantage of spackling a little bit afterwards is that at least I feel I can see the lines better, where you know, it becomes more obvious where the lines are after I put the base coat. I mean, sometimes the base coat will cover things up, so I'm only putting spackle where I absolutely need to have it. So anyway, I will go ahead and get started.